Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Taiwan, and it's a trippy looking one. I've never seen anything from this brand before, and I thought, okay. The packaging reminds me of another brand, and I think that's what they're going for, but it is not affiliated with that other brand. This is Shin Horng, Horng, Lukang thin noodle, ginger and sesame oil flavor. Check that out. And these are from Taiwan. And I had to do a little bit of translation, but basically, you cook the noodle for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna do 2. And you drain it, add 70 milliliters of water and the sachet, and then you're stirring it up and you're good to go. So here is what the noodle looks like. Check that out. This is like that. Whoa. Hey. Alright, in the pot they go. And yeah, I don't think I can. They're everywhere. These noodles are everywhere. They're like fresh, shelf-stable. They're kind of weird. And they do pretty well. Interesting. So anyways, what's new with you folks? I'm trying to get a lot of walking and junk in before tomorrow. Trying to kick my butt a bunch. I go see my doctor tomorrow, so I get to use the fabled, holy, awesome, badass scale over there. So, kind of like, come on, maybe 5 more pounds. That'd be nice. Usually, though, I get weighed around 4 in the afternoon, and this will be like around just after 9 in the morning. They say you can go up and down like up to 10 pounds in a day, which I can totally understand because it's like when I'm doing all my walking and working out, I sweat a lot. So really, I mean a lot. So, but yeah, pretty excited about that. Hopefully get to knock out this gunky grossness that I've been dealing with for the last month. Yeah. I know my doctor will listen to me. He's a good guy. Actually, he's from Taiwan. I trust Taiwanese doctors. But yeah. So it's a good deal. Looking forward. I usually bring him noodles. Seriously. Nice guy. Knows his stuff. He's really come through for me in the clutch a couple times. When I came back from Taiwan one time, he was like, he knew what I had going on, and he was like, no, you're going to the ER. Go to the ER. And sure enough, I had a huge blood clot in my lung. So, yeah. I listened to that guy. Let me plug this in. We need Rotato for this. Definitely need some time with our friendly neighborhood Rotato. And plug-in gel in. And we got to drain our noodles. So we're going to do that. translation to figure out the whole deal with these. But it worked out. And then we got to add 70 mils back in. And I'm going to do a cut and a cut. Because these are like ridiculously... Alright, it's time for a rant. So, this... I like the stove. I like the stove hood, except for the fact the stove hood sticks out way further, which I invariably, repeatedly, every day, every day since they put it in, I've banged my head on this damn thing at least twice, maybe more some days. It's like it finds ways to bonk my head, or to have me, bonk my own head. I know, it's not the stove's fault or the stove hood's fault. I take complete responsibility for user error, however, maybe having it not stick out so far would be nice. But what can you do? And they're working on the outside of this place. They're doing all these like upgrades and renovations. I don't know how I feel about them all, but... yeah, it's like noisy. Mimi's asleep, amazingly. Alright, we got our 70 mils of water. We got our cooked noodles. We've got our seasoning. Doing the Lukang style action here. Gonna take a bit of stirring to get this going. These look like the kind of noodles that I like to devour, and that's not good. I don't want to... I'm trying to like literally be really hardcore, because I want to have like really good numbers when I go in tomorrow. But I know starving yourself doesn't work either, so... whatever. I've been doing my walking. Been doing like 15 miles a day the last 3 days. It's gonna be hard to pull that off today, and tomorrow's like gonna rain, and it's like 15 miles of apartment steps. I don't know, they don't count as much to me. I don't feel as beat up and tired as doing 15 miles walking the mean streets of Bothell, Everett, and Lake Forest Park, but not that those streets are very mean either. But yeah. Alright, I think... that's my wife. Hello, my wife. Alright, so we're there. I don't know. I smell the ginger. So ginger sesame? Yeah. Definitely smell the ginger. Mmm. Wow. Ooh, and there's a bit of heat to it, too. That's neat. It's kind of hard to tell if the heat is from... ooh, the ginger or something else. Wow. I quite like that. I want another bite. This is like groovy stuff. Yeah, I want to eat all that. I'm not gonna, but I want to. I really like ginger, so that's like, wow. Okay. Stop fantasizing about filling my gut with all these noodles. But yeah, if you want to fill your gut with some good noodles, this is a good bet. Eh. Come on. This stuff doesn't... Oh, it wants to jump on the floor and everything. These... I'm going to have to figure out about this Lukang noodle. Unless it's Lukang, but I don't know. Most things end up being ah. Ah more than a. Or I. Okay. By the way, that guy running for president in the primary, Andrew, and it's spelled Y-A-N-G, and everybody pronounces it Yang. It's not pronounced that way. It's Yang. Not Young. Yang. Just so you know. Drives me nuts every time I hear Asian stuff, Asian names mispronounced that I know are being mispronounced, and I really hate mispronouncing things like that myself. Made some beef. Mmm. Yummy. Wow. Like from Planet Wonderful, I tell you. Okay, we'll put you right about there. I've got an egg. I'm gonna, slap an egg on it. Put you in there. Caesars. Wow, I really want to eat this. I'm telling you what. Yeah, I really want. I'm even gonna throw some extra ginger on it. It's not usually the. Oh my god. Usually the ginger that they have in Taiwan is more like just like shaved, natural looking ginger. At least from what I've seen. There could be other. But by the way, you know what's kind of cool? If you like make sushi at home, and you get this kind of like ginger, but the sushi ginger, what you do is you marinate like a pork chop or some chicken breast in that ginger, sweet ginger brine. Oh man, it's hella good. What else do we want to do? We want some sesame seeds? Why not? Always a little seed and a little pepper flake, I think. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you make a sandwich. I'm going to call this a baby sandwich. No, I'm not. But I could if I really wanted to. Right about... right there, son. Okay, maybe not. Maybe more like... That's pretty good. Alright, let's do it. Yeah. This is good. I'm like, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And again, this is Shin Horng, Lukang thin noodles, ginger and sesame oil flavor. Wow. If you find this stuff, get it. I mean it. This is... You want this. You do. Later.